Speak English on your next trip. Let's practice now. At the airport. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? Can I see your passport? Can I see your passport? I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. What time is the flight? What time is the flight? Can I have a window seat? Can I have a window seat? My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. Where is the boarding gate? Where is the boarding gate? How long is the boarding time? How long is the boarding time? Please put your bag here. Please put your bag here. Take off your jacket. Take off your jacket. Do you have any liquids? Do you have any liquids? Where is my seat? Where is my seat? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Can I have a blanket? Can I have a blanket? I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Can I check in? Can I check in? What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Can I get the Wi-Fi password? Can I get the Wi-Fi password? Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? I would like chicken, please. I would like chicken, please. Can I get the bill? Can I get the bill? Is this spicy? Is this spicy? Where is the nearest subway? Where's the nearest subway? How can I get there? How can I get there? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Practice every day. Repeat again. You will improve fast.